Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Tecno Spark 20 Pro, and now I can show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. Firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector. I suggest you to use old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So firstly, of course, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that preventing my charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to insert one part of the brush into the connector and take the dirt out. Cool, that's it. Now you can install your cover back, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.